In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Facebook Marketplace listings at once. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to clear your marketplace so you can start fresh or simply tidy things up. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that owns the listings you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one so you don't delete the wrong items. On the home screen, look toward the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This menu is your hub for all of Facebook's sections and tools, including Marketplace. From the menu, tap Marketplace. This takes you to the buying and selling area. If you're not seeing it right away, scroll a little. Marketplace is usually near the top of the shortcuts list. Inside Marketplace, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the upper right. Your profile area gathers everything you're selling so you don't have to hunt through different tabs. Next, tap your listings. Here you'll see your items, including active, pending, and sometimes sold or hidden ones. If you want to move quickly, focus on the active tab first so you're only looking at what's currently live. Choose any listing you want to remove, then look to the upper right of that listings page and tap the three-dot menu. This opens the management options for that specific item. Select Delete and Relist. This action removes the current listing and brings up the option to relist it. If your goal is to clear everything out, simply decline or skip relisting when prompted so the item stays deleted. Confirm the deletion when Facebook asks because this step is irreversible once you finalize it. To replicate this across all your listings, back out to your listings and repeat the same three-dot menu and delete and relist option on the next item, again skipping the relist prompt. Working from the list view keeps everything in one place and lets you move down item by item very quickly. While Facebook doesn't provide a single select all and delete button inside the app, this is the fastest built-in method to clear your marketplace in one focused session. A few quick tips as you go: make sure you have a stable internet connection so confirmations save immediately, and consider doing this during a quiet time to avoid message interruptions from interested buyers mid-cleanup. If you have items marked as sold or hidden drafts, check those sections afterward to ensure you've removed everything you intended. That's it. Open the app, head to Marketplace, go to your profile, open your listings, and use the three-dot menu with delete and relist, skipping the relist option each time. Follow that flow, and you'll clear your marketplace efficiently.